We're into predictions now. The first thing we're going to try is the simple moving average. Simple. It's got it right in the name. You're going to pick a cell right there. You're going to start here. You're going to go to the function bar. We want the average. And it says the average of what? You want these first 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click OK. Here comes the cool part. We're simply going to click and drag, right? Bottom right-hand corner turns into the black X. And what it's doing is it's shifting the cells as we drag down. That's what I love about Excel. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So we're going to get these values. Come on, you. And there they are right there. So these are the predicted stock values of Google for these dates. Now, this was real data, and I should go back and check and see how accurate they were. Remember, whenever you're dealing with averages, that's just what you're dealing with, averages. So these might be good, these might not be good. So that's the whole thing about that. But that's it. MGZ out.